All right, so I have a few red bean pods that I dried. I picked maybe about a month ago and set them out to dry and then reuse the beans. So this is going to be the first time I open them to see what they look like, to see if they're ready. So here we go. Let's see. I'll take the one with the reddest. Sorry, not the reddest, the lightest color casing, like this. Don't see much green, so it's probably pretty dried out. And look at that. Red beans grown on my balcony. How about that? Pretty cool, right? So just to show you how easy it is, and if you wanted to grow your own camellias instead of buying them, then you could do that. They're really easy, and then you can reuse them. Awesome.